Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can reset the password of your Gmail account. For this, open Google Chrome. Now search your Gmail. Now open that profile you want to reset the password. And click on forget password. Now enter the last password you remember here. And click on next. Now Google will send a verification code to your mobile number you give. If you want a verification code in a text, click here. If you want to listen a call, click here. Now enter the code here you received on your device and click on next. Now create a new password here. Now confirm your password. Now click on change password. Now click on continue to Gmail. Now your Gmail profile has recovered. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.